Dear students, this video is a continuation of our part 1 video. Already we discussed this problem using trapezoidal method. Integral minus 1 to plus 1 dx over 1 plus x square taking into 8 intervals. Let us use the same table and now let us solve this problem using Simpson rule. So now first let us apply the Simpson 1/3 rule to solve this problem. So we are going to apply Simpson 1/3 rule. So the formula for the Simpson 1/3 rule is h over 3. Already we discussed how to find the value of h. So the formula to find the value of h is b minus a over the number of interval. So the value of b is your upper limit of the given integral and value of a is the lower limit of the given integral. So 1 minus of minus 1 divided by 8 will result on 0.25. So in Simpson rule, 1/3 rule, we got the value of h. So h is 0.25. So you can see here h over 3. And then y naught plus yn, that means the initial value plus the final value. So initial value is 0.5 and the final value is 0.5. So here initial plus final value. And then the next term is 4 times into, if you look at this term, 4 times into y1 y3, that means odd entries of your y. So odd entries are y1 y3 y5 y7. So we have 4 odd entries in our given table. So y1 the value is 0.4, y3 the value is 0.9412, y5 is 0.9412 and y7 is 0.64 multiplied with 4 plus 2 times into the even entries. What are the even entries we have? y2, y4, y6 are the even entries, and take down these even entry values and multiply by 2. On simplifying, you will get the integral value. So finding the integral by Simpson 1/3 rule is very simple, and the formula is easy to memorize. So the formula is h over 3, the initial value plus the final value plus 4 times of the odd entries of your y value plus 2 times of the even entries of your y values. Just take down those values and substitute in this formula, and simplification you will get the integral value. Now let us see the same problem using Simpson 3/8 rule. There is a slight difference in the formula and the rest of the things are same. According to the Simpson 3/8 rule, the formula is 3 times of h over 8. So the value of h, already we know that it is 0.25. Already we found the value of h, it is 0.25. Apply the value of h, 3 multiply 0.25 over 8. Same like as before, the initial value plus the final value, right? Plus, so just hold down this term. Let us see about this term and then we can come back to this second term. So here 2 times of, if you look at this value, these are the multiples of 3 y values, y entries which is having the multiples of 3. Now look at here, what are the multiples of 3 that you have here in this table? What are the multiples of 3 that you have? Let me erase it. So what are the multiples of 3 that you have here? So y3, y6 are the multiples of 3, and this one and this one are already taken, the n values. between this n value we are going to find the multiples of 3. What are the multiples of 3? y3 and y6. Now here we substitute 2 times the multiples of 3 entries. So that is y3 and y6. y3 is 0.9413 and y6 is 0.8. So it will be here. It's here. Now come to the second term. In the second term, 3 times into the remaining value. What are the remaining values that we have in our table? So the remaining values are y1, y2, y4, y5 and y7. So take all this value and substitute in the formula and multiply it by 3, and simplifying this expression will result as 1.5512. Already we have found this actual value of the integral as 1 actual value of integral as 1.5708, and Simpson 1/3 rule gives equal to our actual result. I hope this video is clear to everyone.